So before I upload this, as we instructed in the part 2 video, just to save time on my iPad and whatnot, I'm going to just set all of my IP addresses to 0.0.0.0 because I do not have this equipment live in front of me here. And that includes my master controllers as well. Okay, and now it's time to upload to my iPad. Going up to the server. And next we're going to test it out. In my testing, I realized one thing. When I press the power off, I am not jumping to that custom power page. So here's an action on my power off buttons to jump us in. So it sets the timer and it brings us to that page so we could actually see that timer going down now. 19, 18, 17, etc. So this was something that I had missed earlier, which is fine. That is going to be something that happens in your programming and your experience there. Another thing that you may want to do is add a iPad or iOS device that is only to showing a specific zone. So this is an example of this. We're going to add a new controller in there with the unique device ID. And when we choose that, we see on the right here the properties. These are what scenarios you want to view. And we drag it on over. And this is yet another example of a time where we will need to recompile. And now we could see these two variables in the scenarios macros, the ID number, where you see out of 6 potential scenarios, we're seeing them in the positions, and then the 1 and 2 positions on the other iPad, that is the iPad only for the private dining. We just want to see the private dining zone entry plus the power panel if we wish. Really whatever one you want there based on the checkbox property of the iOS so now device. We can enter the settings of the Compass Control app, choose Projects, Load from Server to initiate and complete the load process. Gives us the blue Start button, and now we're able to view our bar restaurant GUI programmed in the C1 Plus method. We see the 6th scenario for power in the bottom right. Now, remember, you will have GUI only mode even if you've zeroed out the IP addresses of your devices. So take a look at the screenshots from my 2 iPads, one with the 6 scenarios and the other, which has been dedicated to the private dining only, has just the 2 scenarios, private dining and the power options. And we could see the additional customizations that we've done, such as the list masking, where the south area of the bar only has the appropriate displays shown, and where we press our all off button, which jumped us into our custom power page, and we even see the text element for the timer counting down from 15 to 0.